My name is Raniya and I'm a final year student at the University of Waikato studying a Bachelor's of Civil Engineering degree with honours. My final year capstone project is on the topic Women in Engineering. A long-standing gender gap has been observed in STEM academia. In 2018, 13% of engineers and 7% of chartered professional engineers were made up of women. There is no distinction in science achievement between male and female students at primary school level, and by age 15, boys and girls possess comparable expertise in math and science. At senior secondary level education, the overall quantity of students taking science decreases. Studies illustrate girls have a higher likelihood of taking biology subjects and boys calculus and physics. The major disparity is found to be at tertiary level education, where there are less female students than males deciding to pursue an engineering qualification. The barriers to closing the gender gap are associated with gender stereotypes and implicit bias, as well as broader structural, sociological, and socio-economic issues. The overall aim of this project is to determine existing or new initiatives to increase the interest of women pursuing civil engineering and to promote the success of women in the industry. This includes understanding key factors, which result in a decrease of female students taking STEM-related subjects at higher secondary level education, that encourage school leavers to consider civil engineering as a profession, and that hinders equal gender representation in the civil engineering profession. My literature review analyzed over 50 sources and identified the key early influences and workplace issues that affect the recruitment and retention of women in engineering, as shown in the diagram on the screen. Arrows represent the interrelationships between these factors, and self-efficacy was identified as having the most connections. Existing initiatives were also analyzed and their beneficial and damaging aspects established. From these findings, the scope of the project was narrowed down. The re-established initiative being developed should target increasing the self-efficacy of young female students and include mixed-sex initiatives, inclusion of female role models, and hands-on activities. My recent progress has been meeting with women in the industry such as Janice Swan and Natasha Jo Khan from Brian Perry Civil to continue further research and gain valuable insight into the issues women are facing in engineering. I'm currently collating a list of existing women in engineering initiatives in the Hamilton and Tauranga regions to see what is currently being used and identifying which aspects I can include or develop for my project. My next step during the semester break will be to develop a questionnaire and submit this to the Human Research Ethics Committee at the University of Waikato to apply for ethics approval.